Some Toyota vehicles include a hill start assist function as an integral part of their active safety systems, along with ABS, electronic brake distribution, brake assist, traction control, and enhanced vehicle stability control. The hill start assist function helps prevent the vehicle from rolling backwards when starting off on an incline. For example, when a driver tries to drive forward from a stop on an incline without hill start assist control, the vehicle may start to roll backwards while the driver's foot moves from the brake pedal to the accelerator pedal. This may result in a hurried pedal transition, making it challenging to drive away smoothly. To prevent that occurrence, hill start assist temporarily applies the brakes to all four wheels, preventing the vehicle from rolling backwards. The driver can then pull away in a smooth and relaxed manner. In some models, operation of the system is automatic. It requires no action by the driver and provides no indication, either by an indicator lamp or a sound, that it is operating. It simply does the job. In other models, operation of hill start assist control must be initiated by the driver. It can be activated after the vehicle has been stopped on an uphill slope by depressing the brake pedal a little further. A buzzer then will sound one time to indicate that the system is activated, and the slip indicator in the instrument cluster will start flashing. On those models, if the slip indicator does not flash and the buzzer does not sound, slightly reduce the pressure on the brake pedal without allowing the vehicle to roll back, and then firmly depress the pedal again to activate the system. Hill start assist may be activated when the vehicle is stopped on an incline, the shift lever is in a position other than P or N, the parking brake is not applied, the accelerator pedal is not depressed. Once activated, the brakes automatically will remain applied for a few seconds after the driver releases the brake pedal, permitting time for the driver's foot to move to the accelerator pedal while the vehicle remains stopped. During this period, the rear brake lights will remain on. Hill start assist will be deactivated and the brakes released when the vehicle drives away. Hill start assist will be canceled automatically, and the buzzer may sound twice if no attempt is made to drive the vehicle within approximately 2 seconds of releasing the brake pedal, the shift lever is moved to P, the parking brake is applied, or the brake pedal is depressed again. It should be noted that, unlike the parking brake, which is a separate braking system, hill start assist control is not intended to hold the vehicle stationary for an extended period of time and should not be used for that purpose. It should be noted that hill start assist control is a supplementary driver assistance system. It is not a substitute for good driving practices. The features and functions described in this video might not be applicable to your Toyota model. See your owner's manual for details. Thanks for watching this Know Your Toyota video.